Hello everyone. Welcome to English listening practice with a short story. Today's story is simple, emotional, and very easy English. So listen carefully and enjoy. The Hidden Key. Musfirah always loved exploring her grandfather's old bookstore. One rainy afternoon, while browsing the dusty history section, a leather-bound book slid off the shelf. It didn't fall to the floor. Instead, it landed open, revealing a small, brass key hidden inside a hollowed-out compartment in the pages. "Wow," she whispered, picking it up. The key had a tiny tag attached that read, €1 for the locked drawer in the back room. €1. Musfirah rushed to the back room, her heart racing. The key fit perfectly into the antique desk drawer. With a satisfying click, it unlocked. She didn't find gold or jewels inside. Instead, there was a stack of old letters written in beautiful script, her grandfather's love letters from 50 years ago. The best stories, Musfirah realized, smiling, aren't always on the shelves. I hope you enjoyed this little adventure. Drop a comment with your favorite word from the story. Subscribe, like, and share for more interesting stories like this.